Hello again everyone, it's Mel from Stocksbridge Guitar Tech. In this lesson today, lesson number 16, I'm going to teach you the bar chords based off of the 6th string root. In lesson 15 we did the A shape bar chord, which is based off of the 5th string, gets its root on the 5th string. These get the root off of the 6th string, and these are based on the E major chord that we learned a while back. So let's zoom in, let's have a look at this chord. We'll do it at the 5th fret, and that's going to make it an A major. Okay, so these bar chords are based off of the E major chord that we learned a while back. Just to refresh your memory, we put the normally middle finger on the 5th string 2nd fret, ring finger on the 4th string 2nd fret, and index finger on the 3rd string 1st fret for this chord. But we're going to swap the fingers round again, so now we're going to put the ring finger on the 5th string at the 2nd fret, the little finger on the 4th string at the 2nd fret, and the middle finger on the 3rd string at the 1st fret. So we're going to play the chord like that. And then, like we did with the A shape where we slid it up to the 7th fret, we're going to do the same thing now with this E shape chord. So we're going to slide it up so that we've got the little finger and ring finger in the 7th fret, this fret here, and the middle finger in the 6th fret. And then we're going to take the index finger and lay that across fret 5, across all 6 strings. So again, a good way to start is to just play the index finger across all 6 strings until you can get them all sounding. And again, well, you can't really put this finger on this time because we're going to be using it here, but just while you get started, when you're practicing this part, you can lay the middle finger on top of your index finger to get some more pressure until you get used to pressing the strings down just with one finger. But again, we want to be hearing all 6 strings there with just one finger. So practice that until you can get them all sounding, then go back to your E chord, doing it the way I just showed you, so that we've got the index finger free. Slide up to the 6th and 7th frets here, and then lay that index finger on. And that's A major at the 5th fret based off of the 6th string. And as with the D major we did last week, once you can play this chord, then you can move it around the neck. So you can move it up, you can move it down, so the useful chords to learn. So that's the 6th string bar based off of the E major shape. So go away and practice that. Just practice it on the 5th fret for now, or if you're finding the stretches too difficult, then move it up to the 8th fret, 10th fret, wherever it feels more comfortable for you. And then once you can play it up here, keep sliding it down until you can get right down to the first fret and play it. Alright, so there you have it, the E-shaped bar chord based with a root on the 6th string. So go away and practice that, and keep practicing the A-shaped one that we did in the last lesson based with a root on the 5th string. In the next lesson, lesson 17, I'm going to be showing you these same bar chords but in the minor versions. So that's what we're going to do for the next lesson. I hope you're going to join me for that one. Stick with it, you will get there. And as ever, please remember to subscribe if you find these lessons at all helpful, and click the little bell notification. That's all from me for today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.